Welcome. I'm reviewing here the Nexus 5 made by Vantrue, a 4-channel voice-controlled smart dashcam. It's got a 3.19-inch IPS display, a maximum resolution of 1944p by 1080 by 1080 by 1080 because there's 4 cameras, a Sony Starvis 2, Wi-Fi and an app control, voice control, buffered parking mode, GPS logger, and supercapacitors. There's a demonstration of the cameras and what they can see. There's a viewer fitted. That's the on-off button. What we've got here is the unboxing. I'll try not to bore you too much. It comes in a nice white package and wrapped in plastic. Box beside it.
Hardware kit. Micro. How cool is that? And what I'd call a micro, I don't know what the proper fuse is called. They're all 5 amperes. Yep. Righto. Here. 2 amps, 11.6 volts. Can't help it to do it that way. And then it actually has 3 amp sticker on it. A very light gauge, I must say. There is no gauge rating on the wire. Yeah, that feels very light. 11.6 volt or 12 volt. Vantrue label. On the other side, not listed cable. No markings on the cable, but USB-C. No exclusive box. Back of it. Oops, that got a bit creased in there. That side from that. A couple of spare 3M labels in there. Solid. Nice and solid. Sorry about the bird. It's got some movement there. Looks like I can rotate a little bit. USB-C. Actually says DC in. Yeah. Very nice. And label on the back, Nexus. Very similar to the S2. And USB-C right angle. Yeah. Bag. Instructions. Holding onto the camera this way. Infrared lights are there. 2+2 comm sensor. And it's saying, make sure the infrareds are pointing in. Have AV out. So it has to go Okay, that's a bit better. This piece is the back window camera. Beautiful. It's quite a big unit, this, and there's more underneath the box. There's another cable here. Oh wow. Cleaning pads, fantastic idea. A manual. A nice clean cloth for the screen. The removable stick-ons. Connecting leads, let's find is to the computer, I think. Jesus, that's heavy. Far. This is a heavy gauge cable. Beautiful. Nice quality. Very nice. And now the camera itself. Okay. Nexus 5. Beautiful. Look at the size of this thing. That's one piece of gear there. Righto. Cabin camera, facing out camera, to the rear. Does this rotate? Yep. Maybe 45 degrees. Yeah, I'd say 45 degrees. This one. This is stationary, that doesn't move. When this is applied, it's a magnetic connection that is quite solid. That doesn't want to come off now, which is cool. So that's the rear, that's the top. You would probably mount this, okay. Looks like sideways is its preference. So you can have up and down. Let's see that there. That, and this. And here we have it. And the front, the rear, the attachment, the cigarette power supply, and the car constant power, plus the fuses to tap into the fuses and the cable to go between the two cameras. Pretty neat. But if you need to get that off, you need to pull on it squarely. Make sure it's at home. But to get it off, you need to pull it straight up. So the guides, there's a guide here, a guide here, and a guide there, a slot here, a slot there. Beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful.